All right, so for this question about calculators here, we have to read, we have a sample of 4 different calculators. Now that word different is actually really important here because what they mean when they say different, they mean without replacement. It's kind of a subtlety there about that question. And in fact, this one is on the test, and I actually put the words without replacement in there just so it's totally clear that that's what they mean. So we have 48 defective, and then we have 24 no defects. Alright, so that means we have 72 total calculators. Alright, so what we're going to do here, what's the probability of selecting the first defectives we want to select? That they're selecting all defective, all 4 defective. So the first time we have 48 out of 72 calculators are defective. Now, since we're doing without replacement, the next time there's only 47 defective ones and only 71 total calculators. And then the next time there's 46 defective and 70 total, and then that drops down to 45 out of 69. And so that is our 4th set of descending fractions. So let's get our calculator out. And so you see how I've entered that. I went ahead and put all the numerators together inside one parentheses, and then divided by, and then put all the denominators in one parentheses. And when we do that, we get 0.189. Alright, so be careful here because I think what probably most people did was they took 48 out of 72 and then raised that to the 4. That's what you do for with replacement. And again, this problem didn't stay with or without replacement usually. Well, not usually, you just have to try to assume one way or the other, but in this case it was without replacement. Again, on the test for this question I actually put the words without replacement, so it is clear.